Do you know there is a boy now who
Mhm.
is famous on YouTube, like Bachpan
Okay.
Ka Pyar. Have you
Yes,
heard?
yes, of course, of course. It's
So
all over
yeah,
Instagram. Every platform is there. Am I visible to you? Can you hear me?
yeah. Hmm.
Okay, okay, great. I think we're good to
Yeah.
go. Yes.
Hmm. Yeah.
So great, Bhuvan. How is your day going by?
Yeah. It is good, and it is good.
Just good. Okay, good to
Yeah,
know.
just good. Yeah,
All right.
only good, I would say. Yeah.
So I think this is our first session together, right? I think we are having a conversation for the first time.
Yeah. First
Okay,
time,
okay. Yeah,
right?
and can
Yeah.
you please tell me where are you from and what do you do?
Yeah, actually, yeah. I am from Uttarakhand,
Okay.
and currently I am preparing for competitive exam.
Oh, that's nice. Which exams?
Actually, I am preparing for my own stage exam, Uttarakhand's exam only.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. That's great.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
how are your
Yeah.
preparations going on?
Yeah. It's going on good, I would say.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And ma'am, where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore. It is in Karnataka state.
Okay, Bangalore. Uh-huh.
Ask you,
Right.
have
Right.
you ever been to Karnataka?
No, never.
Never.
I never been to Karnataka or Bangalore.
Mhm.
Yeah. So, basically, you are from Karnataka or you are from other state and you are living in Bangalore.
No, no, no. I am from Karnataka only. Like I was born and raised in Mysore. It's a different city. And for
Uh-huh.
work purpose, I moved to Bangalore. But
Okay.
I
Okay.
am a
Yeah.
complete
Yeah.
South Indian.
Yeah. Yeah. Because there are so many people who are from different states, but they are living in
Yeah.
Bangalore.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Bangalore, Mumbai, like that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Like these cities are like the melting pot of different cultures. Like you can find people from all different parts of India residing here. So that's the correct
Right.
observation.
Yeah. Like Bangalore, Delhi
Mm-hmm.
also. There are
Mm-hmm.
so many. There like in Delhi, there are so
Mm-hmm.
many states people live there in Delhi also.
Yeah, for the work reasons, people migrate right to different cities, and then it becomes their home. So that's how it is.
Right. And it is necessary. Like sometimes it is necessary. Like if you want to get a good job and if you want to enhance in your career, so
Yeah,
definitely you should move from
true.
your move. Yeah, from your hometown to other cities.
100%. So that little bit of risk sometimes is very important. We have to take it. No other
Yeah.
choice.
No other choice. Yeah. And like I'm from Uttarakhand, so
Hmm.
here I have like I don't have choice. Like there are no
Okay.
private sector.
Hmm.
If you want to do job in a private sector, so
Hmm.
definitely you will have to move.
Yes,
Yeah, you
true.
will have to move to metro cities. Yeah. Hmm.
Hmm. So
Yeah.
you said that you're preparing for exams in your state only, for your state exams, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So
Yeah, only
uh,
state.
yeah, so you want to live in Uttarakhand. It's such a beautiful place, so you don't want to leave it.
Yeah, yeah, that's why like yeah, I love I love here weather, like everything is good in terms of nature, everything is good here. So that's why that's why I want to live here.
Amazing, Bhuvan. I can completely identify with that. That place, those states are like paradise, right? It's like a paradise. Why would you want to leave it? I
Right, yeah.
completely understand.
And many people have dream like they want to explore such kind of villages, they explore such
Uh,
kind of places, and
yes.
already I'm living in, so yeah, so it's very good.
So have you on YouTube I've come across so many people, okay, so many stories about people who've left their corporate jobs and they've now embraced that kind of life. As you mentioned, they've explored the villages and they've adapted to that life because they always dreamt of it. So yeah, I've
Right.
always found those stories to be very fascinating. Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely right. Yeah.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
And
Mhm.
I have a question for you, okay?
Yeah.
In order to become rich in life,
Mhm.
people say that you have to work really hard, right? So, according to you, do you think only hard work is enough to become very rich or very wealthy? Or are there
Mm,
any other factors that come into play?
There are so many factors apart from hard work. Like
Mhm.
smart work is also necessary if you want to become a millionaire or billionaire in your life. But if I will compare like if I will compare like today at present, and if I
Mhm.
would talk about like before 8 to 10 years. So
Yeah.
according to me, nowadays it is easier to become rich than before. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, because nowadays you have multiple options. Like you have YouTube. You can start blogging. You can start
Yeah.
vlogging, and you
Yes.
can start online teaching as you are doing. So
Yeah.
so
Good. Good examples.
so
Mhm.
according to me nowadays, like it is easy to become rich. Like
Hmm.
if like there was a time when you wanted to become rich. So that time you had to go to office, you had to go somewhere to earn money. But
Yeah.
nowadays situation
Mhm.
had totally changed,
Mhm.
totally changed.
Yeah.
If you know virtual things, if you
Mhm.
know smart work, so I think
Mhm.
you can get a lot of money. Yeah.
Yes. 100%.
Yeah.
And your examples were brilliant, like real life examples suited to this pandemic situation. So do you have any interests like that, or do you plan to? You mentioned like you can become a vlogger, you can come on YouTube, you need to learn how to use these online platforms. So do you ever plan on doing any of these?
Yeah, actually I'm a YouTuber also. So
Oh,
yeah, so I upload my English content video. But
okay.
yeah, and 1 month back I started my own blogging channel.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so right now I am working on it.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have seen I have seen many YouTubers who are from Uttarakhand. So
Yeah.
in their videos they are showing nature,
Yes.
and they are getting good views. So
Yeah.
I thought if they can, so why I don't,
Mhm.
why I can't. So
Yeah. If
yeah.
they can, so can I. You can say like that. If they can, so can I. If they
Okay,
can
if
show it,
they,
so
yeah, okay, if they can, so
so can I.
so can I. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So, yeah, true. Because
Yeah.
for
Right.
people like us who are living in cities like, Mumbai or Bangalore,
Mhm.
places like Uttarakhand, it's like a visual treat, okay? Just by
Right.
looking at these videos, we feel a lot of peace, we feel a lot of calm. And that's why people are
Right.
always pulled towards such nature videos. That's what I
Right.
feel.
Right. Yeah. 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 And people want to watch such kind of content, like
Yeah,
natural beauty, natural things.
true. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm working on it, and
Mhm.
like I firmly believe on online things. Really, like
Hmm.
according to me, I think like this is my personal opinion.
Hmm.
uh, Instead of doing a job, if you start such kind of a online platform where you can
Yeah.
earn money, so I think
Mhm.
you can get a lot of money,
Yes. If it
lot of
clicks,
money.
right? If it clicks,
Yeah,
then you can make
right,
a lot of
right,
money.
right. And do you know there is a boy now who
Hmm.
is famous on YouTube, like Bachpan
Okay.
Ka Pyar. Have you
Yes,
heard?
yes, of course, of course. It's
So
all over
yeah,
Instagram. Every platform is there.
yeah. So this is the power of social media, and this is the power of of technology.
Yeah, true.
You can become popular in a day.
100%.
Yeah.
And how much do you think luck plays a role in becoming, as you mentioned, that little boy who sang that song, right? That Bachpan Ka Pyar song. So
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty sure there are many people who are
Right, right. Yeah.
posting singing videos, okay, something related to music, and the
Right, right.
content might be even more
Good.
superior than
More
that.
superior. Right, right,
Yeah,
right. Yeah.
but still that boy, he became so famous, right?
So
It's
famous.
okay,
So
no problem, great, I'm so
right,
happy for him.
right.
So I feel like luck is an important factor. What do you think? What are your views on this? Not
Yeah. Occur.
everyone clicks like this, not everyone catches people's attention, just a chosen few. So I would love to know your view.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, yeah. Like, yeah, I agree. Yeah, yeah. Like, luck play also a vital role. If you
Hmm.
want to become famous, if your one video get viral,
Yeah.
so but yeah, so luck is also important.
Mm-hmm.
So luck is also important, but you should do hard work. But
Yes.
you also should hard work.
Mm-hmm.
Like apart from luck, like you should believe on luck, but
Mm-hmm.
if your luck is not working, so you should believe in your hard work. You should believe,
100%.
yeah, patience, hard work. So
Mhm.
you should believe, yeah.
Yes, true, true. I agree
Yeah.
on that as well. So,
Mm.
luck is important, but even if you're not lucky, I feel like the more you work hard, the more luckier you will get. So, I feel like luck follows hard work.
Right, right. Yeah, 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 man. Yeah, absolutely right.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Some people do have that beginner's luck. As soon as they start their YouTube channel or as soon as they start their Instagram or anything, they become very famous. So that beginner's luck is always there. But
Right, right.
for
Yeah,
some people, but to continue the same rate of success, I think hard work is the only thing that's going to help someone.
yeah. Hard
Yeah.
work and consistency. Consistency
Hmm.
also matter in every field.
Yes.
Like if you are
100%.
consistent, yeah, if you are consistent, if you are very consistent, so maybe
Hmm.
after 1 year, 2 year, maybe,
Yeah.
so definitely you will grow. You will grow if you are consistent.
Yes, Bhuvan.
Yeah,
100% true.
yeah, yeah.
And you mentioned that these days online we have a lot of content, right? A lot of
Mm,
content that's available for free. And for
right.
some things you have to pay, and rightfully so, because the creators put in a lot of effort to make them and they monetize it.
Mhm.
But these days, these online platforms, right, these coaching platforms, especially the ones that teach kids coding, they charge an exorbitant amount of fees. So, do you think it's fair to charge like 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 50,000 for teaching one skill?
Okay, actually, I don't have knowledge,
Mhm.
but yeah,
It
first
is
time.
happening. It is happening.
Okay, no, I think yeah, they are charging. I think too much. If they are charging 1.5 lakh, like as you just said, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I think
one
it's too
lakh at
much.
least.
1 lakh.
Yeah.
I think it's too much. According to
Mm,
me, I think it's too much.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. And so many times what happens is people, even if there's some content available for free and it is good quality content, right? They don't use it. But if someone is charging them, they'll feel like, okay, this must be something different, something amazing, and I'll pay for it.
Yeah, this is yeah, yeah, yeah. This is mentality.
Yeah.
This is mentality of people like when they will pay for something, so that time they believe yeah, it is good.
Hmm.
Right, yeah. So yeah, so this is mentality of people. If you are
True.
paying some, yeah, if you are paying something for someone, so
Mhm,
definitely
mhm.
definitely you will realize yeah, like it's worthy for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're also a lot more serious about it. If you're getting something for free, there are chances that they won't take it that seriously. But if they've paid for it, they'll be
Right,
on their
right,
toes all the time.
right. Yeah, because nowadays I think mm, according to me, I think there are so many contents, like everything is available
Yeah.
on YouTube,
Almost
and
everything.
everything like coding, decoding, everything. I would say
Mm.
everything.
Yeah. Mm.
So if someone really want to something in their life, so I
Mhm.
think YouTube is the best platform.
Yes, even I agree on the same.
Yeah.
Great,
Yeah,
great, Bhuvan. And lovely.
yeah,
It's great interacting with you. You're so full
yeah,
of energy, so full of ideas, and you're so happy. The most important thing is you're so happy during a conversation, right? So
yeah,
that kind of energy is always appreciated. So
yeah. Thank you,
can I
man.
give you my feedback a little
Yeah,
bit?
man.
Few
Yeah, yeah.
mistakes, one or two.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, one video get viral. If one video get viral, so video is a singular, right? So
Okay.
following it will be gets, okay. One if one video gets
Okay. Mm-hmm.
viral, okay.
Well, yeah,
If
gets, yeah, gets.
video was a plural, if videos get viral, if it is a
Mm-hmm.
plural, the verb will be singular. If the
Singular.
subject is singular, the verb will be
Right.
plural. Like
Plural.
he
Yeah.
gets, she gets, they get, we get.
I
So
get.
that's the subject verb.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Exception of I, like I get. Even though I is singular, it will still be get only. It's just that's the only exception.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the subject verb agreement. That's one thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And one sentence structure is that I love here weather. Okay.
Mm.
You tell me which is better. I love here weather or I love the weather here. Which
Okay.
is correct?
I love the weather here.
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
it's just words maybe slightly jumbled up. And one
Mhm.
vocabulary, 1 month back you mentioned, na? There's a better
Yeah.
way of saying it. You can say 1 month ago. You can use
Okay.
ago instead of saying
Ago.
back. That's a little more refined. Okay, 1 month
Okay.
ago.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so that's it. These are my only 3 corrections for you. I hope this
Okay.
was useful. Apart
Yeah.
from
Yeah,
that, I
ma'am.
think your language, your foundation is very good in English. You are not
Mhm.
making any glaring mistakes that, okay, if we don't resolve
Okay.
this, you cannot move forward. That issue is not there. So I'm really
Okay.
glad. Just minor
Mhm.
issues you can work upon. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. You can call me Mega. Please don't call me ma'am. That's not necessary.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Bhuvan. It was a pleasure interacting with
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
So if there
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
anything else you want to clarify or you want to say anything, you can do so. We have a little time left.
Yeah. Like what can I do apart from speaking for improving my English?
To improving, you can listen also. This is one thing I always tell my learners. It
Mm-hmm.
sounds very basic, but how did we learn to speak? We learned to speak because we used to hear our elders, our family members speaking around us. We never used to
Yeah.
read or write, right?
Right. Right.
So
Yeah.
listen to a lot of good English content. Okay. It doesn't have to be any foreign accent. Indian English is also great. We have a
Right.
lot
Yeah.
of amazing content creators. And since you
Yeah.
love
Yeah.
watching YouTube, I think you'll have a good time as well, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just
Right.
keep listening to them.
Mm-hmm.
What happens is when you keep listening to someone repeatedly, it kind of registers in your subconscious and it becomes a part of your language. That fluency will come. Okay, so you can
Okay.
listen to a lot of good English content. So that's one thing I can recommend. Okay,
Okay.
and if you enjoy reading, try reading one book a month, maybe. That is
Okay.
doable, right? One book a month. Any
Mm-hmm.
genre that fascinates you, that interests you. So you can try reading, and this way you can improve your vocabulary also. Pay
Right. Right.
attention to the writer's grammar, like his tenses, his grammar, sentence structures, words.
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah,
Right. Right.
and if you find any word that has caught your interest very much and you feel like, okay, I want to use this in my language also, try
Mm-hmm.
making your own sample sentences with that word so you won't forget it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, listening and reading. Listen regularly and maybe
Mm-hmm.
reading, pick a book, pick a nice book once a month or daily newspapers, anything. So, these two things will definitely improve your language more. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Bhuvan. So,
Okay,
yeah,
ma'am.
great. It was lovely talking to you.